Hello guys, my name is Angel Hernandez and this is a easy recipe of hotcakes. Ingredients: 1 cup of hotcake flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 spoon of butter, 1 spoon of sugar and 1 egg. To prepare: in a large bowl, make a cup of flour to hot cake with 1 spoon of sugar. Blend it all together and make a well in the center. Add the cup of milk. One beaten egg and 1 spoon of powdered cooler previously melted. Mix the batter until it's smooth. Now let's heat a griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat and light oil it. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle using approximately a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. When the edges are brown and small bubbles are formed in the center of the cakes, go ahead and flip them. Now serve and enjoy.